Hi guys, today we're going to be changing the subject of a formula. Okay, so basically I want to make x the subject of the formula. So I always want to make it say x equals or equals x. Okay, so for this first one, 3x plus 2 equals y. I'm going to take my plus 2, I'm going to swap side, swap sign, and that's going to become minus 2. So I'm going to have 3x equals y minus 2. I then want to have x on its own, so we need to move the 3. So this 3, because it's multiplying by the x, it's going to divide. So I'm going to have x equals y minus 2, all divided by 3. And that's that one done. Next one I have 6y minus x equals 4. I don't want to move the 6y over to the other side because that will leave me with minus x equals, and I don't want that. I want x equals or equals x positive all the time. So to make it positive, I need to take it over to the other side. So that will give me 6y equals 4 plus x. And now that I've got a positive x, I just want to take this 4 and move it to the other side. So that will give me 6y minus 4 equals x. Okay? This time, we've got 3x over 9 equals 2y. We want to move the 3 and the 9 across. We'll move the division one first of all. So this 9 goes across and it multiplies because it's being divided in the first place. So we're going to have 3x equals 18y because 9 times 2 is 18. Then we're going to take this 3 across and we're going to divide. So 18 divided by 3 is 6. So x equals 6y. Next example, 5 over x plus 4 equals 2p. We want to think of this 5 over x as one whole term, and we'll leave that till the very end, okay, or until we've moved a few other things across. So I'm going to move the 4 first of all, okay, and it's going to become minus 4. So 5 over x equals 2p minus 4. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to multiply this x across. And I'm going to put it in brackets, okay, just so I'm going to leave it like it is for the time being. So I'm going to have 5 equals x brackets 2p minus 4, okay. I'm not going to multiply brackets out because I don't need to. Now that x is being multiplied by all of this 2p minus 4, I'm just going to divide all of this. And whenever it does it, it's just going to end up underneath the 5, like a fraction. So I'm just going to write it over to the side here. So I'm going to have 5 over 2p minus 4 equals x. Okay, it's a wee bit of a harder one. And last example, the 3x squared is again one term. I'm going to leave it till the end. So I'm going to move the minus 4g, swap side, swap sign, makes it plus 4g. So 3x squared equals 7 plus 4g. I then want to divide by 3. So that's going to leave me with x squared equals 7 plus 4g, all divided by 3. But I don't want x squared, I want normal x, so I'm going to have to square root the whole thing, which is going to give me x equals 7 plus 4g over 3 with a big square root sign over all of it. Okay, and that's us guys, okay? All the best. Good luck.